back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to fix the verification code not received issue on GCash. So if GCash is not sending you the verification code, just follow these simple fixes. First, you need to check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable and working properly. If the connection seems weak, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and then try again. Next, turn airplane mode on for a few seconds and then turn it back off again by tapping on the airplane icon on your control center. After that, make sure you enter the correct phone number linked to your GCash account. You should also check if GCash app needs an update. For that, you need to go to App Store, search for GCash and then tap on update if it appears. If the issue still continues, try reinstalling the GCash app. For that, you need to press and hold the GCash app icon, tap on remove app and then delete the app. Wait a few minutes and then reinstall the app again from the App Store. If these fixes still don't help you, try restarting your phone. For that, you need to press and hold the power button and the volume button together until the power slider appears. Lastly, the problem could be from GCash's system or network. If there is maintenance or high traffic, verification codes may be delayed or not sent. So those were some easy ways to fix verification code not received issue on GCash. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.